it's Barry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to give you a deep dive into some of the items coming in the December sub box. It's about that time for the December sub box from Cloth and Paper. And today is the last day that you have to order this. I wanted to show you a few of the things in detail. So let's get started. I think a lot of you have seen the new Moments envelope in a beautiful green color. It's a fairly bright, rich, kind of an emerald green color. We've got washi tape in a beautiful silver. Will be great to go with other items in the box. And we've got new transparent arrow flags, a new volume that has some colors that have not been seen before. I had to bring out my travel CP Petite to show you this new dashboard. So matching the envelope color, we've got this great new dashboard, less but better, putting emphasis on meaningful experiences, quality, and simplicity. And this is something we've been focusing on in my family about experiences and how experiences make wonderful memories. I've got this gorgeous silver photo album, which matches the new archive box that's also in the sub box. You could use this simply as a photo album. There's a lot of sleeves in here, but you could also use it to store journal cards or other memories. It's absolutely beautiful, will look beautiful on a bookshelf, and it says Cloth and Paper 2023-2024 Moments. This is something you don't want to miss. So if you haven't subscribed yet, you have until tonight at 11:59 to sign up. And I have a suggestion for you. If you get either a 3-month or a 6-month subscription, you will qualify to get the free workshops that Aisha is doing quarterly. But there's something else you would get, which is the free gift with purchase this month, which is this wonderful zippered pouch in graphite. It's a suede type material. There's a pocket in the front, and that pocket does fit a phone if you're interested. It's zippered and it's lined. And in the front pocket, there's an additional pocket that you can fit things in. You can use it in packing or inside your bag. You can use it as a clutch. But I was also thinking it would be great with a little handle. And I had an inexpensive one in my stash that I got on Amazon a while ago, and it worked perfectly to convert it to a wristlet. So the deal with this pouch is if you spend $150, you will get this, which is a $39 value, free while supplies last. So the sub box is a great way to do that. The other thing I wanted to mention is that some of these items would be great for gifts. Great as stocking stuffers for people. This is a perfect gift if you wanted to give someone this photo album also. I've got 2 more videos coming this week. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time around.